Hi, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an NATQ, that is numerical answer type of question on the relation among Poisson's ratio, modulus of rigidity and Young's modulus. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 1 mark. If the Poisson's ratio of an elastic material is 0.4, the ratio of modulus of rigidity to Young's modulus is how much? Well, the Poisson's ratio is given. Poisson's ratio, that is mu, is given as 0.4, and the modulus of rigidity is G, and the Young's modulus that is E. Okay, so the question is, what is the value of G by E? Okay, if you know three formulae for E, then you can answer this type of questions easily. So the first one, E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. Okay, this is the first relation. And the second one, E is equal to 9kg by 3k plus g, where this is the relation number 2. Okay, where k is the Bach modulus, Bach modulus. Okay, and the third relation is E is equal to 3k 1 minus 2 mu. Okay, k is Bach modulus. This is the relation number 3. So if you can remember these three relations on E, okay, you can answer this type of question easily. See, our question, the ratio of modulus of rigidity to Young's modulus, we can find it out easily from the relation number 1. Okay, so this relation number 1 is enough to get this ratio, right? So E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu, which implies E by 1 plus mu to 1 plus mu is equal to G, we can say, or G by E is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus mu, that is 0.4, right? 1 by 2.8, so which is equal to 0.357. okay, so almost equal to 0.36. See, since this is a numerical answer type of question, the answer is given in range. So range for this question is 0.35 to 0.36. So our answer is 0.36, so which is a correct answer. Okay, hope you have understood. If you are enjoying, please do share with your friends.